Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Rimsha Decoration. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you know about my YouTube channel or are like video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And please make sure press the bell icon. So you told any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, please watch this video to end. So guys, I am back a beautiful idea about birthday cake decorations in different styles, different color combination and different sizes. Here are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. If you new my channel, don't miss any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like, share, comment on my YouTube video. How to decorate your cake with a beautiful way. I provide you simple idea for your cake that is most essential, most creative. I hope you enjoy my video. The creativity are mentions on my YouTube video. Thank you so much watching for my video. If you are interested in these types of designs and in these types of video, then guys like my video and share, comment on YouTube video. I hope you enjoy my cake designs and I hope you love my cake designs and I hope you love my cake creativity. Thank you so much guys to watching, to like and to share my YouTube video. And I hope you these designs or this creativity are fantastic. And I hope this video is very authentic and creative for your beautiful video, for beautiful ideas. If you are interested in these types of collection, in these types of design, then please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Cake decorating ideas can evaluate any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebrations. All the designs are very unique and trending. If you like more ideas, specific decorating tips, then please visit my channel and then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. These decorations bring the excitement of birthday person's life and make the party unforgettable. These designs are very unique. If you like more ideas, if you like any designs and if you new my channel, and then please visit my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and then don't miss any other amazing video like this one. Please make sure press the bell icon. You can use each theme perfect for birthday celebrations, baby showers, bridal showers, anniversary, professional parties or any other celebrations. Consider these theme decor matching the occasions. I hope you like this decoration with themes and color combinations. Whether simple or beautiful, cake showcase love and celebrations. I am sure cake decoration ideas from this video. If you like any designs and take screenshot of it. And also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are so easy to make and absolutely delicious. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, cake decoration ideas, or any other celebration ideas, then please visit my channel, and then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone. See you tomorrow with a new video. Until, take care yourself and people around you. Allah Hafiz.